Good morning, friends. Welcome to Soham's Law Sutras. Today we will be reading Section 148 of Companies Act 2013. It's central government to specify audit of items of cost in respect of certain companies. First, notwithstanding anything contained in this chapter, the central government may, by order in respect of such class of companies engaged in the production of such goods or providing such services as may be prescribed, direct that particulars relating to the utilization of material or labor or to other items of cost as may be prescribed shall also be included in the books of account kept by that class of companies, provided that the central government shall, before issuing such order in respect of any class of companies regulated under a special act, consult the regulatory body constituted or established under such special act. Second, if the central government is of the opinion that it is necessary to do so, it may, by order, direct that the audit of cost records of class of companies which are covered under subsection 1 and which have a net worth of such amount as may be prescribed or a turnover of such amount as may be prescribed shall be conducted in the manner specified in the order. Third, the audit under subsection 2 shall be conducted by a cost accountant who shall be appointed by the board on such remuneration as may be determined by the members in such manner as may be prescribed, provided that no person appointed under section 139 as an auditor of the company shall be appointed for conducting the audit of cost records. Provided further that the auditor conducting the cost audit shall comply with the cost auditing standards. Explanation. For the purpose of this subsection, the expression cost means such standards as are issued by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, constituted under the Cost and Works Accountants Act 1959, with the approval of the central government. Fourth, an audit conducted under this section shall be in addition to the audit conducted under section 143. Fifth, the qualifications, disqualifications, rights, duties and obligations applicable to the auditors under this chapter shall, so far as may be applicable, apply to a cost auditor appointed under this section, and it shall be the duty of the company to give all assistance and facilities to the cost auditor appointed under this section for auditing the cost records of the company, provided that the report on the audit of cost record shall be submitted by the cost accountant to the board of directors of the company. Sixth, a company shall within 30 days from the date of receipt of a copy of the cost audit report prepared in pursuance of direction under subsection 2 furnish the central government with such report along with the full information and explanation on every reservation or qualification contained therein. Seventh, if, after considering the cost audit report referred to under this section and the information and explanation furnished by the company under subsection 6, the central government is of the opinion that any further information or explanation is necessary, it may call for such further information and explanation, and the company shall furnish the same within such time as may be specified by that government. 8th, if any default is made in complying with the provisions of this section, A, the company and every officer of the company who is in default shall be punishable in the manner as provided in subsection 1, section 147. B, the cost auditor of the company who is in default shall be punishable in the manner as provided in subsection 2(4) of section 147. Note, relaxation of additional fees and extension of last date of filing of CRA 4, that is cost audit report, for financial year 2018-19 under the Companies Act 2013. There are several amendments given over here, and we will be looking regarding what is been prescribed. Okay, there is a content table given, the industrial sector and product wise services, and custom tariff heading, and various sectors are also mentioned over here. Whom cost audit is applicable or not is been provided in this table. So one should go through this table also while reading this section.